Imagine a luxury motorhome that looks like it has arrived straight from the future, while being surrounded by a breathtaking garden, filled with colorful flowers and blooming trees. This incredible Scania-based luxury motorhome combines premium comfort, advanced engineering, and an eye-catching design that instantly captures attention. From the moment you see its massive panoramic windows, elegant body lines, and double-deck style structure, it becomes clear that this vehicle is designed for travelers who want the ultimate road-living experience. At the front, the powerful Scania platform provides a strong foundation for long-distance touring. Known worldwide for reliability and durability, Scania vehicles are built to handle demanding journeys with ease. This motorhome is expected to feature a high-performance diesel engine producing between 450 and 550 horsepower, delivering excellent pulling power even when fully loaded. The advanced transmission system ensures smooth gear changes, while modern suspension technology helps maintain stability and comfort on highways and rough roads alike. One of the most impressive aspects of this luxury motorhome is its size and interior capacity. The multi-level design allows for a spacious living environment that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light and provide spectacular views wherever you travel. Premium seating, elegant lighting, high-quality materials, and modern decor create a sophisticated atmosphere that rivals five-star hotels. Inside, travelers can expect a fully equipped kitchen featuring modern appliances, a large refrigerator, induction cooking systems, and plenty of storage space. The sleeping areas are designed for maximum comfort, offering high-quality beds and luxurious finishes. The bathroom is likely equipped with a premium shower, stylish fixtures, and advanced water management systems. Smart home technology can also be integrated, allowing owners to control lighting, climate settings, entertainment systems, and security features through digital controls. Performance is not limited to the engine alone. This motorhome is expected to feature advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, emergency braking systems, parking cameras, and multiple driver assistance features. These technologies make long-distance travel safer and less stressful for drivers. Storage capacity is another major advantage. Large exterior compartments provide room for luggage, outdoor equipment, bicycles, and travel essentials. This makes the vehicle ideal for extended adventures across countries and continents, without sacrificing comfort or convenience. When it comes to fuel efficiency, a vehicle of this size naturally consumes more fuel than standard motorhomes. However, modern Scania engineering helps optimize performance and reduce operating costs compared to older, heavy-duty platforms. Long-range fuel tanks also allow travelers to cover significant distances between refueling stops. Now let's talk about pricing. Since this appears to be a highly customized luxury motorhome concept, the estimated price could range from $800,000 to over $2 million, depending on customization options, interior specifications, technology packages, and luxury upgrades. Exclusive editions with bespoke interiors and premium features could command even higher prices in the luxury RV market. Overall, this stunning motorhome represents the perfect combination of luxury, innovation, performance, and elegance. Whether parked in a beautiful garden setting or traveling across scenic highways, it offers a unique lifestyle experience that few vehicles can match. For those seeking the ultimate home on wheels, this extraordinary Scania luxury motorhome stands as a remarkable example of what modern luxury travel can achieve.